So what's up YouTube, welcome to my channel Complete Tech Review and welcome to another walk around of the Hero Extreme R in the 160cc BS6 100 million edition paint scheme. So this one is a limited edition, and the reason for that is mainly because Hero has completed 100 million vehicles on the road, and hence this special paint scheme is the 100 million edition. So this one is the BS6 variant and it is the 160cc motor. As you can know that the Hero Extreme R is one of the most prominent and the most potent vehicle where you can have great performance and also combined with the mileage and the reliability of Hero, all packaged in a very nice and attractive pricing. So Hero has given it all, like namely single channel ABS on the front, tubeless tires, chunky looking tires, and these are the MRF tires. It also has the kick and the electric start, which is a rarity to find in the 160cc segment vehicles. The footrest also flex, and which is of good quality. The seat is a single seat and it has contouring, and the rear grab rail is tucked in nicely into this design. And I like the main thing, which is the frame, which is a part trellis frame, and this is the reason this vehicle is very light and nimble to drive. So this one weighs roughly around 140 plus kgs, which makes it very light for its for the 160cc segment vehicle. And also the engine is a simple 2-valve engine which delivers roughly around 15 plus bhp, which is really nice. So when it compared to the power to weight ratio, this has very good performance, and because of the lightweight nature of the vehicle, it is also very sprightly to drive. The front suspension again is the chunkier unit, which is close to, I believe, 37 mm, and also the front, everything on this vehicle is on the electrical side is all LED. Like the turn indicators are LED, the front headlamp is LED, and this is more like the transformers kind of a headlight, and also the rear portion of the headlights is all LED. It also comes with the side stand indicator, which is good, and single horn, and it is fuel injection. So programmed fuel injection, it has roughly around 10 to 13 sensors. The catalytic converter of the vehicle is nicely tucked in inside the exhaust pipe, and you can see from this side the styling is also good. Mono suspension in the rear, front is a telescopic unit. It also has a nice reflector on the side, and you also get the ABS ring. So from this side you get to see the 160cc R badging, and the graphics on this is really nice. So basically this whole unit is one unit, so there is no break in the panel, so which is also nice. On the instrumentation console, it is a all digital unit. You get to see the other video that I made and explained the features about the all digital instrumentation console. It also has a lot of features into it, like a side stand indicator. It's a blue and black lit unit. It also has the ABS indicator and also the fuel injection indicator. This is the only 160 which gets a hazard switch, and overall the switchgear quality is really nice. So it also comes with a silence start motor, which is nicely done, and it is integrated into the engine kill switch, which is nice. The 100 million badging is also nicely done, and this is the look from the side. There are other colors which are also being offered, like for example the old gray and red color, the black and blue, and also the white and black. So this is how the vehicle looks. But again, as I said, the 100 million badging and the exclusivity for this is mainly because Hero has crossed 100 million vehicles, and which is seriously a big milestone. So these were the colors. Again, a completely red and a gray color is also over here. So very capable vehicle, and it has all the bells and whistles for a city commuter as well as for occasional touring, because it has very good power of close to 15 plus bhp and a very light vehicle. So on that note, I hope you enjoy this video. If you do so, please like and subscribe to my channel. This is Kevin signing off, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.